So I volunteer at the local aquarium and handle some of the small crustaceans and mollusks. One of the most frequent questions asked are related to horseshoe crabs. I will often get asked if the creature is a ray and if it will in fact sting you. Upon hearing the questions asked about this arthropod, it came to me that many people are unfamiliar with this wondrous creature and the many wonders that they hold. So today, we're going to be talking about just that. The Maritime Show presents The Wonders of Horseshoe Crabs. Horseshoe crabs are marine arthropods that inhabit coastal regions of southern Asia and the east coast of America. So to address the main question, no, these are not rays. They may look very similar with their circular body and long tail, but a closer look will reveal that this mysterious creature actually has legs underneath its body. This helps it to move around both on land and at sea. Furthermore, while the tail does resemble that of a stingray, it will not cause you any harm as they do not contain venomous barbs. The tail, along with its lower torso, is used to propel itself in the water. At first glance, these creatures may look uninteresting and meaningless, but further study would prove otherwise. One of the many interesting details about this creature is its evolutionary history. There practically isn't any. The species of horseshoe crabs that live today have been around for over 400 million years since before the dinosaurs. But these species have been practically unchanged throughout the millennia, making these guys living fossils. The dinosaurs may have died out, but the horseshoe crab lives on. Horseshoe crabs are also of great importance to the medical world. The horseshoe crab's blood contains substances called amoebocytes, which act as the bacteria-fighting white blood cells in humans. This substance, when harvested from the arthropods, can be used to detect bacterial endotoxins and help fight against pathogens. You may have not realized this, but sometime in your life you may have indirectly used this substance. Unfortunately, because they are harvested for their meat and blood, horseshoe crabs are on the decline. These creatures are considered to be near threatened and their population is still decreasing. I would like you to think about that for a moment. The horseshoe crab has been around unchanged for over 400 million years. They have gone through several earth-shaking extinction events, yet here they still stand. Now, because of one singular species, horseshoe crabs are on the verge of extinction for the first time ever in their long history. There is hope, however. By donating to NGOs dedicated to helping horseshoe crabs, you can lead them on the road to recovery. That's all for today, guys. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode of The Maritime Show.